This is the frame. I didn't open anything yet, so we'll open it together. I don't even know how big this frame is. I'm pretty sure I have to set it up. I don't know if I want to use this today or use it for another project. I might just use my embroidery hoop. Boom. ClawLab. Nice. You can carry it around, so if you need to move somewhere or you want to storage it, it's a good size. And it's light too. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Success. Okay. Ooh, I like this. And it's small too. If you're a crafter, you know how much space your supplies take. This should be easy to store and it shouldn't take up too much space as far as how it looks. It has the cover, so you put it right there. The wire that it comes with. This is a Type-C cable. And then the block, the power block, whatever it's called. You put one end of the cable here. The wire's a good length too. It's not super short. There you go. Super easy to set up. The other side of this has the scissors. It comes with some maintenance grease. I guess this is just to clean the tufting gun if you want to. And these little brushes. Let's set up the embroidery hoop and then get to testing the tufting gun. I've cut the cloth so that it's a good size for me to put on here, the outer part over it so it stretches. I like to tighten the top a little bit before I stretch this out so that it still grips it and it's not like really loose when I go to do what I gotta do. So we'll tighten this. She is all done. I stretch it out so it's not so loose when you go to tuft it. Put my little flower on here and then we'll get to setting up the gun. Ta-da! My quick flower. It's not perfect, but it'll do it. The back should light up. That will let you know that it's on. Right now the light is blue, which means it is in the self-lock mode for safety. If you press right here, it won't do anything. In order to get it to actually do something, you click the back and it should turn green. If it is all the way green, it is in refinement mode, so it's better for like 1 to 2 stitches on the monk's cloth. However, if it's partially green, that's good for ongoing stitches. See? All the way green. It's just a couple, and then you press it again for the partial green look, and it should be ongoing. To change the speed of the gun, all you have to do is turn the back clockwise to make it faster and then counterclockwise to slow it down. You'll have to use 2 of these to thread them through. 2 yellows. We have our 2 yarn threads. Now I'll get the little threading needle that it came with. It should be easier for us to thread it through the tufting gun. In the kit it gives you this threading tool, which makes it really easy to thread the yarn through the gun. The first thing we'll do is thread it through here. So you get the end, you put it through, you put the yarn through this hole right here and pull it all the way to. Alright, it should look like this. Pull it all the way down. You'll move this under here. Now you should be ready to use it. And we go up. Let's do this one here. Look at how it's turning out in the back. All right, let me finish this little yellow circle. The yellow center is done. Now I'll do the outside and we'll do the light pink and the medium pink. Like so far, it's not too bad for my first ever tufted rug. It was really easy to use. And I think I'm gonna do the light pink right here. I should have done like a black outline. I feel like that would have been better, but I wasn't thinking at the time. Oh yeah, back looks like this. However, the kit comes with scissors so you can chop it off if yours looks as majestic as mine does. Here is another angle of how it looks for when I tucked it through the back. You'll see it come through the front. There's a little like empty space right here, so let's see if you can see this thing in action. Can you see that? Satisfying. my first ever tufted project. I think she's gorge. I think I did a pretty darn good job. Yes, and it's really soft. She's done. Now for the back, listen, this is my first ever tufting project. Not going to be neat, but all I care about is front, and she looks perfect, so. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Not too bad. I want to trim this off before I glue it down. I'm going to use some Mod Podge glue because that's all I have right now. And that's what I usually use for like when I make coasters and all that good stuff. Perfect. Alright, I think this is good enough. So let's slap some Mod Podge on here and then let it dry. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to grab your own tufting kit with the link in the description down below and tag me in your creations because I'd love to see what you guys come up with. Overall, this was a super fun and easy project. I love the mini tufting gun. It's lightweight, you can store it easily. It's easy to use, and this is coming from someone who has never ever tried tufting before. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.